Today on Taste Tests, we're living the fab life and eating like the Kardashians.
I was alone in the hotel room and I was like, chicken fingers. Day one of our diet plan.
I'm a huge fan, so I'm excited.
I just feel like they're like the royal family of America.
What do you think we can expect to eat? I think some health foods for sure. They're really serious about their diet trends.
Yes, KYLIE'S ramen. I think they like fried chicken.
And then some sweet indulgences as well.
But before we start, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the little bell so you get notified when we put up new videos.
I mean, it looks like the typical salad that they always order, right?
I've actually never known what was in their salads, so.
Oh, you mean you didn't go to Calabasas to get me this salad?
I don't want to eat it now.
We have some teriyaki chicken. Chicken's good. I feel like my salads are never this interesting. They're always boring.
I don't know, this tastes really good.
Is it worth their obsession in the hype?
I don't know about that. Like I wouldn't eat it every day like they do.
I get it. I get why you do it.
I'd go on a diet for this.
What is
Oh,
that?
are they beignets?
These are Kim's favorite.
Yes.
When she was pregnant, she went down to New Orleans just for these.
I went to Cafe Du Monde and got beignets 3 times.
I've never been to New Orleans.
I've never had a beignet.
They're so good.
I was expecting.
As they would say, Bible, these are amazing.
Oh, I so get it. This is a good pregnancy craving. Courtney loves Kit Kat.
That she does.
Okay, I know
So,
about this. How
yeah.
Courtney eats the Kit Kats.
So special.
Why would you not want us to eat it like that?
You know how Courtney eats a Kit Kat?
No.
I would never even dream to eat a Kit Kat and just bite into it.
So you just go.
You bite the end.
Once the ends are removed, then you remove the sides.
It is really hard to do.
Is she insane?
Oh no.
Did you break it?
I broke it.
Pull apart the wafers into 3 sections.
Got 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Eating chocolate should not be work. This is ridiculous.
The thought of it is such a good idea, and I think that it tastes better that way.
I think I will not eat a Kit Kat after this, ever again. Ooh. Is this ramen?
Okay, so the question is it just normal ramen or is it KYLIE'S special ramen?
Wait, this is Kylie. She has a specific ramen recipe.
As far as I knew, KYLIE'S ramen had garlic and butter
Maybe it's
and
in it.
sometimes an egg.
It's just nothing's better than ramen from the packet.
It really doesn't taste that much different than a normal ramen.
It's better than normal ramen.
Yeah.
Shout out to Cherie from Kansas City who taught me how to make this entire soul food meal 15 years ago.
Kim cooks this all the time.
I've never had fried chicken. This is a legit thing. I've never had actual fried chicken before.
I don't really like collard greens. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Oh, you're Southern.
Mac and cheese is my
So
favorite
good.
thing on the planet.
Can you teach me the right way to eat this?
Do you pick it up? This whole piece?
I think
Do I
you
just
gotta
bite
go
into it?
yeah.
Okay. It's actually really amazing fried chicken.
That's fried chicken. I want to go to Soul Food Sunday.
Do you feel any closer to the Kardashians after doing that taste test?
Oh my gosh, yes. I feel like I
Really?
need to change my name
To what?
to Kara with a K.
Okay, well my name's Casey with
Casey
a
with a
C,
K.
so Casey with a K.
I was thinking more of a Kira, K-I-R-A.
And I have brown hair, sorry.
Clarissa. That's a C.
Clarissa with
Kardashian.
a K.
Clarissa Kardashian sounds like me.
Well,
I feel like I'm gonna go home and my bank account's gonna have $1 billion in it.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Network for more episodes. Oh,